Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram messages. It's a very simple tutorial that you can do. And just to show you that it works, you can hide messages just like this and bring them back wherever you want. And the way to do it is a very simple trick that you can do in basically 30 seconds or less. So if you appreciate that, give this video a like, 'cause this really helps me out. Okay, so to do that, you need the creator account. So you basically have a primary or a general tab. To have a creator account, it's absolutely free. You got to use a personal account or a business account that you have and switch it to a creator account. So you want to go on the personal account that you own and click the three dashes on top. Click on settings. From settings, you want to go to account. And account, down below you have this option called switch to a professional account. So here you gotta click continue, link a Facebook page, and then choose the creator account option, which will basically give you a primary and a general tab so you can hide Instagram messages. If this video helped you out, again, give me a like. See you in the next video. Bye.